Hey guys, it's Jen from the teen department, and today I'm going to show you how I made a toilet paper roll penguin. So here's what I've got. And first I used some black construction paper and rolled it around the paper roll, and I sealed it with a hot glue gun. And I also drew out some little fins, and I glued that on there as well. Then I drew out the body using white construction paper, glued that on there, and for the eyes, I just cut out some black felt, and for the nose and the feet, I just cut out some orange felt, and then I used a ribbon to tie it around his neck like a scarf, and that's about it. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!